there's been potential for greatness within you, and many saw it before you actually recognized it. You may have been moving in a space of humility, not necessarily seeing what it is that others see within you. And it's much more deeper than your physical appearance. It was something that people saw within you that is intrinsic value. Many of them saw something very powerful within you, your resilience, that energy of God exuding within you. And some may not even had a term for it, but they just knew that it was something powerful about you, that you were here for something greater. Some don't, but you definitely are someone where people can pick up on that, there's something that you're going to do that's going to impact major change within this world, within communities. And so this may have been why there was those that were sent to hinder your growth. There were people that may have done things towards you in an effort for you to embody that pain, that shame. A lot of what people do towards you is more so an attack. It is the enemy's way of utilizing these people as just vessels, as bodies, in order to try to be a detriment in what it is that God really has for you. And so when you begin to continue to have these confirmations about things that you need to do, moves that you need to make, words that you need to say, and these things won't let you go, Holy Spirit is urging you, the Most High, the Creator, Jesus, Yeshua, is urging you to go ahead and do what it is that is constantly being reminded of you. And don't allow the things that may have happened to you in your life to cause you to feel unworthy, to feel, like, how can I be someone that speak on this or that matter? Especially based on the things that I've experienced. But you are the one that should speak on these matters, because oftentimes that shame that people try to pass off on you, like literally like a virus, it is to eat away at your confidence. It's to eat away at what it is that you see within yourself. And so this is the time to really begin to harness that unconditional self-love. Unconditional love and unconditional positive regard, it is what is going to move you more so in alignment with your life purpose. And let that shame go from what others have done. That's theirs to carry, not your burden.